Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Blessings Nation, yeah man, Jaden Chase, another one that we're gonna bring on another reason on the topic of entertainment news. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through, but to find the reason insightful, well I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and let your voice be heard, like and share the video, and drop a comment in the comment section. Now let's get right into the reasoning. Now Nation, despite being incarcerated, Vybz Kartel has again been named as one of the most streamed entertainers out of the Jamaican music industry on one of the world's biggest digital streaming platforms. Now, despite Jamaica's top 10 and top 10 most played song list being dominated by overseas artists, international communications manager for the global streaming giant, Julia Lavender, this is quite encouraging. She said, "The list is a reflection of what only Jamaicans in Jamaica are listening to, and this showcases the fact that Jamaicans are listening to global artists, but it is very encouraging to see local artists still at the top of the list." Vybz Kartel has been named in the top 3, with Drake being the most streamed artist even out of Jamaica. Now Lavender also went on to say this is a major achievement for local artists, seeing that, for example, in Trinidad, they did not have any local artists in their top 10 on the list. It was completely dominated by overseas artists. Now Lavender explained that how the list is compiled is that Spotify summarizes the streams for each song and each artist from January the 1st to November 27th. This is indeed definitely good news for the dancehall genre, and definitely good news for fans of the dancehall superstar Vybz Kartel. Fans would even go as far as to say this is a major achievement for Vybz Kartel as an artist, seeing that this streaming giant, and in this day and age the fact that streaming platforms are one of the main ways in which fans receive their music, especially the younger generation. And to see that Vybz Kartel, despite being incarcerated, has year after year been able to be one of the most streamed artists, regardless of genre. Not saying just out of dancehall or out of reggae. This Spotify list is basically comprised of the songs Jamaicans are listening to and a whole. This is a major achievement for dancehall and a major and unique achievement for Vybz Kartel as an artist and for his continued legacy. Now this good news also follows statements made by his attorney to overseas reporter Lisa Evers, in which his attorney stated that the proof that has been long awaited by fans has been confirmed, and the evidence used to incarcerate has been found to be false. Now for those who have followed the trial of the incarcerated superstar, you know that this is a major breakthrough for the defense, and it is also something that the defense spoke about even during the trial and during the appeal. So to now have an international digital forensics firm look over the evidence, examine the devices, and then forward to the conclusion, document the conclusion, and say yes, indeed, the phones were tampered with and the evidence was falsified. Vybz Kartel's attorney also went as far as to say that as it pertains to the trial and moving forward, he is in very good spirits, as the key piece of evidence needed has been found. And of course, the trial is set for the early part of 2022, which, if you look at it, it's a couple months away. Fans are already. Spotify list also showcase the fact that the music industry has adapted to the advances made in the digital age. And fans have also stated that if these accomplishments can be made while Vybz Kartel is incarcerated and behind the bars, upon his release, the buzz around his music and his release and around dancehall music itself will be another major moment in music history. Nation, talk to me in the comment section. And based on these streaming numbers and the milestones being surpassed by dancehall entertainers, it is a sign indicating that international audiences, fans of the music who reside in different parts or places across the globe, are also paying attention to dancehall music, streaming the music. Whenever we see dancehall artists booked for any shows internationally, we can see the increased number of fans in attendance at these shows. What is also unique to, and something where young artists should pay attention to, that the artists who are the most streamed artists out of the island, the specific songs that have allowed these artists, and not just a single track, to continuously be streamed. People continuously are listening to music. Vybz Kartel also stated in an interview that he noticed that majority of dancehall artists have sticked to a specific set of subject matters when it comes to inspiration for songs. And fans of the music have noticed as well, while in other genres of music, artists have covered a wide array of subject matters through their music. To date, only few artists have shown that level of creativity, and we see it even via the streams and the attention that these artists have garnered over the years, and even since their debut, because young artists make the list too of top songs being streamed. And remember, tourism being one of the biggest sectors on the island, it is good to remember that visitors are not only visiting the islands for the sands and the beach, they also fall for the culture and the entertainment. So of course, the entertainment sector is a sector that should be focused on by the administration. What is needed for the industry to grow and expand on a global scale should be given. It is true that even though in this day and age, Bob Marley is celebrated by the government, the support was not given to reggae until after globally it was respected and recognized. In South Korea, the music genre known as K-pop is now one of the largest growing genres of music in the world. And that genre of music was, yes, by the entertainment wing of the South Korean government. And it has paid off. Talk to me in the comment section. Why is the one called Jaden Chase, news and entertainment correspondent? If you're new to the channel, just a pass through, but I like the reason and of course I like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. The comment section will be 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know the sentiments, and for those who don't, you man move settings fam. And no, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, of course, we wanna live, love, and prosper until the reason again. Spotify is confirming that despite the Jamaican top 10 and top 10 most played songs and most streamed artists being dominated by international artists, Vybz Kartel has made the list. And in other countries across the Caribbean, local artists have not.